Hey, lawn lovers, this is Mike with DeWitt Lawn Service. It looks like our 7th season has started a little bit earlier than we expected. Today we're going to do some tree trimming and a bit of yard cleanup. Not too much, but first we have to deliver some wood. Let's go check it out. Okay, that's enough of that wood stuff for now. That wasn't that difficult. Let's get on to the bigger issue here. We have a customer that wants some branches cut, some saplings removed, and some dead this and that gone. So we brought the team and we did it. We got it done. This yard is not getting the full spring cleanup yet. It's not spring. We'll be handling that probably in a few weeks. Right now we're just getting this dead stuff away and, maybe having a little fun doing it. Well, really, is this stuff fun? Yeah, it's fun.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Dead. Or this...
Is that one dull too?
See, I told you, it's fun. No, it's fun, right?
Tyler, he says the chain's too tight.
No, it's fun. Anyway, let's get back to a piece of equipment that we know is going to work properly every single time. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, that didn't work. How about a machete?
Yeah, cock knife, yeah.
What is it?
Machete.
I mean, what's the brand of it? Do you know?
Sing pong. Sing.
Okay.
Whatever that means.
Yeah. Never mind then.
Never been on a tree job without it.
Oh boy, he did a really good job there. Let's check it out. Oh wait, you forgot to pick up the trash. Now, did you happen to see that shadow that's in the bottom left corner of the screen? Well, that was me. Don't worry, I'm out of the way. I'm good. Okay, let's watch a tree come down, everybody. Quiet. Here it goes. Wait, what? Where are you going? I want to watch a tree fall over. Everybody wants to watch a tree fall over. Come on, let's watch a tree fall over. Okay, here we go. Everybody be quiet.
Timber!
So in the end, after all that fun, we got some branches cut, we got some saplings removed, and we got some dead this and that gone. We brought the team and we got the job done. And it was a good time. It was a good first job to open our season. There should be plenty more to come. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, look, that tree's off the fence. Wow, that looks much better. Look at that tree right there. It was on that roof right there. It was on the roof over the porch. So we cut that off. Looks much better. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.